Oil slips even as US winter storm curbs crude output. Winter storm in US reduces crude oil production. Yet prices continue to fall. 1 in 5 Americans can't afford their heating bills this winter as people are blindsided by utility costs. 1 in 5 Americans struggle to pay heating bills amid winter storms and rising utility costs. Nvidia unveils AI models for faster, cheaper weather forecasts. Nvidia reveals AI models to accelerate and reduce costs of weather forecasting, promising more accurate predictions. Hundreds feared dead in attempt to cross Mediterranean during cyclone. Cyclone Harry claims up to 380 lives during Mediterranean crossing. Italian and Maltese authorities report 1 survivor found in the wreckage. Rainbow Weather raises $5.5 million to refine real-time weather forecasting. Climate tech startup Rainbow Weather raises $5.5 million for short-term, high-precision weather forecasting, focusing on hyperlocal, minute-by-minute forecasts. Investors include Yuri Gurshi, founder of Flow Health. Their mobile app offers 4-hour precipitation forecasts. Mercy unseats Avatar. Fire and Ash atop the box office on snow-blanketed weekend in theaters. Snowstorm leads to quietest weekend at the box office as Mercy dethrones Avatar. Fire and Ash. Winter storm leaves over 1 million customers without power across US. A massive winter storm has left over 1 million customers across the US without power, causing hazardous conditions and prompting warnings to stay off roads in regions from Texas to New England. Part of historic pier washed away during storm. Historic Tainbridge Pier partially collapses during today's storm, raising concerns about its structural integrity. How did Davos turn into a tech conference? Davos transformed into a tech-focused conference this year, with AI dominating discussions and source critical of trade policy. Traditional topics like climate change and global poverty took a backseat. Featured video: How tiny satellites help us track hurricanes and other weather events. MIT Lincoln Labs miniaturized microwave sounders transformed weather monitoring, enabling shoebox-sized cube SATs to track hurricanes and weather events hourly. The technology, now licensed by Tomorrow.io, aims to enhance global weather coverage for various sectors. Storm Chandra on the way, with danger to life warnings issued. A severe storm named Chandra is approaching, prompting danger to life warnings. Stay updated for further advisories. 40 years after Challenger, lingering guilt and lessons learned. NPR, reflecting on the 40th anniversary of the Challenger disaster. NPR discusses the engineers' last-minute efforts to halt the launch, their lingering guilt, and the lessons learned that continue to impact NASA's safety protocols. Amazon's internet beaming satellites are bright enough to disrupt astronomical research. Study finds space. Amazon's LEO satellites, while not visible to the naked eye, could potentially disrupt astronomical research, as revealed in a new study. James Webb Telescope previews the death of the Sun in glorious new, Eye of God, image, live science. The James Webb Space Telescope unveils a stunning, Eye of God, image of a dying Sun-like star in the Helix Nebula, enriching the galaxy with elements vital for life. A glowing bar of iron is haunting the Ring Nebula, and no one knows why. Science alert. Astronomers discover a mysterious glowing bar of iron at the heart of the Ring Nebula, a celestial body known for 250 years. New DNA analysis rewrites the story of the Beachy Head Woman. Science Daily. A Roman-era skeleton, known as the Beachy Head Woman, has been reanalyzed, revealing new insights about her origins. Previously thought to be of sub-Saharan African or Mediterranean descent, the new DNA analysis challenges long-held beliefs. Mars atmosphere may hold the key to human survival. Scientists reveal the Daily Galaxy. New study suggests Martian atmosphere could provide backup water source for future human missions. Breakthrough laser technique holds quantum matter in stable packets, phys.org. Physicists create stable packets of quantum matter using a revolutionary laser technique, potentially paving the way for new studies in quantum physics. Scientists identify brain waves that define the limits of you. Science alert. New study reveals brain waves that determine personal boundaries, challenging our understanding of self. Discover the limits of you. Science alert. Scientific integrity theft by artificial intelligence. Avi Loeb, Medium. AI deception challenges scientists' integrity. Avi Loeb discusses his struggle to maintain credibility in the face of artificial intelligence manipulation.